it's Halloween and we're making a special video just for you.
We didn't even say who we were.
Oh, who are we? You wanna guess?
What is this, like Dora the Explorer or something? Because like on the show they always like
expect
you to answer.
Okay, well, I'm Hannah Montana.
And I'm Lola.
Yay.
Whatever her last name is, but see, I got the wig.
And I got the wig too.
And my legs are freezing because I'm wearing tights.
I'm wearing this. Anyways, so what are we gonna do tonight? Have a Halloween party? Just me and her.
We'll be recording though.
Yep. And you'll see two very special guests later. It's really their party that we're attending, right?
Yeah.
But we're just trick-or-treating.
Come on, give us some
Come
candy.
on! Click XY if you're giving us candy.
Put down. Hi. This is our Halloween party.
Yeah.
I'm okay, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be some very pretty myself. We do have some guests for you tonight. 4 of them. Yeah. But we're gonna film them, make sure they're having a good time at the party. Yeah. And then we can food. Food, definitely food. Yeah. That's pretty much it. So, we'll see you later. This is all the delicious food we have at the party. We have a lot of food to offer. Yum. Cupcakes. Oh my God, look, there's Fran. Hi. Hello, Fran. Is it alright if we film you? Oh yeah, sure. Alright, where's Val at? I don't know. Hey, Val! These girls want to film us. Oh, hey girls. Nice party you're having. Oh, Val. Alright. Oh, look at all the food they have. Don't take it all, Val. Okay, friend. Oh, what are these little things over here? I don't know. They look like cucumber sandwiches. Are they cucumber sandwiches? Oh, okay. I don't know what else I want. Maybe I'll go to the other side. I can't decide what I want. I can do it all, Fran. That's what I'm doing. I don't know if I'll have enough room for it all on my plate. Get 2 plates. No, because then I won't be able to carry my drink. Well, I don't know, Fran. Oh, whatever, Dad. Did you make all this yourself, girl? Yeah, we did. Oh, very nice. You guys must have been working hard.
Not really. So Val, are you having fun here?
Yes, I am. Thank you for asking, girls.
Did you see Hannah Montana yet?
Yes, her and Lola looked fantastic. I just didn't know that girl had pink hair. I thought she was strawberry.
Nice. So Val.
What's that?
You tried any of it yet?
I just took a plateful. I don't know if I'm going to eat it yet, though. Oh, I don't even have room for chips in it yet. So where's Mr. Shepherd tonight?
I don't know. None.
I hear ya. Better. What? That's pretty fun party. You know. So we got water on my chin from rinsing out my mouth. My shirt.
We just cleaned up.
Yep. Okay. Kicked everyone out of the house. Still in from here no more.
Well, over half of our food is gone.
Just from Fran and Val. I barely got anything.
Then, Nana and Lola barely even ate anything.
Yeah, all they were doing was dancing the whole time, and then she had a call and said we had to go somewhere. I don't know. You know, celebrities. Those big stars that we will never be.
President about them to come to your party.
I know, that was what screwed up. But fun. It was fun. I had lots of fun.
I got tired after.
I am really tired right now. I can barely keep my eyes open. I think I'm coming down with something. I'm sick.
You're gonna get sick of it. You're gonna get swine flu. We came up with a joke today.
Yeah, it was great. Alright, you know how they say when pigs fly?
Well, the swine flu.
Get it? Like swine and pig and flu and fly and oh.
That's funny. It was great.
Isn't that a great one? Hit ZY if that was a great one. Do it. Comment it and say ZY if that was a great joke. Because I think it was a great joke.
Well, it must have been a great joke if you've been laughing at it all day.
Yeah. But I think we're done. Well, tonight with this video. So, hope you had a blast watching. Maybe you had a blast making it. And all the partying going on. But it's really just food. And dancing with the pumpkins.
That was bad. That was embarrassing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, PPFN. Ta-ta for now.
Bye.